boAt Rockerz 330 Pro Bluetooth wireless in-ear earphones. Rockerz 330 Pro offers a massive playback time of up 60 Hz on a single full charge. This neckband has our ENX technology that helps to capture your voice without background glitches and lets you be heard crystal clear over voice calls. With our ASAP charge tech, the neckband can gather up to 20 Hz of playtime in just 10 minutes of charge. Our boAt signature sound shines through whenever you want to get indulged in your cherished playlists courtesy the 10mm drivers. The ergonomically designed neckband has magnetic earbuds that support easy storage and carry when not in use. You can listen to your favorite tracks in a carefree manner, courtesy the protection offered by its IPX5 marked water resistance. You can enjoy the advantage of dual pairing by having the neckband stay connected to two devices simultaneously, for example, phone and laptop. 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. Product information. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.